Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is, I think, the 6th time I've tried to record this video because my phone storage keeps getting messed up. So I'm just going to get right into it. Okay, so that's what happened in the last video, it cut off. So we're here on the double. So, the work. You got here, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, catch with two hands, okay, and then over 5, 6, 7, 8, facing the opposite direction you started with. And actually you flip your hand as you go over, so you're here. Over, hand flip, then you're going to do a pop, here. Now, depending on where you're standing, you're going to do different choreography, okay? So, the front and the back line, so that's going to be Olivia, Carissa, Kendall, Amber, Abby, and Joe. You guys are going to do this work, okay? So you guys start facing the front. 1, 2, 3, right, all this. Now this is the back, now you're to the front, double to the front, turn to the back, 5, 6, 7, 8, pop, 9, 10, facing the back. I'm going to turn around so you can see what I'm doing, but this part is to the back. But just so you can go with me, okay? So you're here, 9, 10, you go 11, 12. So all I did after the pop was bring it up, grab it, thumb up with the left hand, and then flip with my right hand. So both the thumbs are up, right hand's at the top. You're here on 12, then you're going to lean 13, 14 with the silk, and then the right hand slides in. 13, 14 in the silk, turn over your shoulder, right shoulder, 15, down 16, and then you're going to do a money hand toss to the front. So, again, after the pop, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. But it's one continuous motion, right? It's pop, up, this, redirect, okay? So don't stop, okay? So, if that's the audience, you do the double to the front, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that money hand toss, all you do when you dive, this is what your thumb is down, you pull like that, and then that's when you release on 1. Okay, so you're here, your thumb, the silk goes up, down. You release on 1, you catch on 4, straight up. Do it one more time. Dive, a nice circle, up. Don't go like this. Dive. So the audience sees this into the toss, okay? So the middle line, it's going to be Maddie, Julie, Emma, Ashley, Gia. You guys are going to start facing the back. So I'm going to do it like this so you can at least watch me. So this is the back, right? You do to the back, I'm facing the back, I'm facing the back, I'm facing the front, facing the back. So I'm going to do the work facing this way, just so you understand it. You toss 2, 3, 4, come over. So you toss 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're to the front now. Okay? So again, you did everything to the back. You're here, here. Double 2, 3, 4 to the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm to the front now. And you stay at the front. That middle group, okay? So you do all this stuff. All this to the back, front, the back. Toss double to the back. Come around, front. Okay, so the work is the same as their work so far. Then you're going to pop 9, 10, 11, 12. So again, you pop and you just bring it up to the collarbone. You're going to do a collarbone toss. Okay? 9, 10, 11, 12. That's slow. 9, 10, 11, 12. The right hand goes in the silk. 13, 14. Bottom cone 15, 16. 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. Same thing. You're tossing on the same count as everyone else. Okay, so again, you're here. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tosses on 1, catches on 4. Okay? So, we're going to finish out. We're still holding. So we're here on 4. So those 2 sets were 16, right? This part, this whole part, blah, blah, blah. And then the double, that set was a 16. We have a 9 and a 12 left, and we're done. Okay, so we're here. You caught on 4. You bring it down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. As soon as you catch it, down by your feet to the right, up, bring it down, up, and grab it. Okay, that's 9 counts, not 8. Stop on 9. Catch on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, grab 9. We have a 12 count left. Now we're moving a little bit, okay? But that 16, 16, and 9 was in a hold. We're all still facing the front now. You're going to bring it down very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. The left hand is over, right hand is under. That's all I did. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do drop spins. 5, 6, let go. 7, 8, grab 9, re-grab 10. Okay, so it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, up 5, down 6, let go. 7, 8, grab it at an angle. Normally we grab it straight up and down. Grab it at 9, shoulder hip at 10. And before the video cuts out, I just want to go over this. The next 12 counts is this. You bring it up, or 11, sorry, up to get to 12 counts, you go like this. You're here on 10, you bring it up, and you push it down. Okay? So, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, up 5, 6, let go, 7, 8, grab 9, grab 10 at a shoulder hip. Okay? So, besides Gia, Emma, and Julie, you guys know what you're doing. So you three just go like that. You know, we went over that. Everybody that's not Julie, Emma, or Gia, this is your work. So you three, you know what you're doing. Everyone else does this, okay? So here, you're going to lift the flag up and just push it down and step back with your left leg. That's the ending pose. So the flag, you don't want to lean over because the flag is long enough. You can just kind of go like that. Now, depending on where you're standing, you'll go different directions. Okay. So the front line is, if the video cuts out, you know, you know everything you need to know. I'm sorry it was quick. We learned a 16, 16, 9 to 12. Okay, I know it was fast, but I wasn't sure when I was going to have the battery. So I'm going to keep talking to go over a couple details, but we're okay. So if you're in the front line, you got to turn around to the back. So the front line is going to be Kendall, Carissa, and Olivia. So if you guys are facing the front, you guys can go over your left shoulder and go to the back. Like that. You know, you have to swing it to the back, okay? You guys go to the back. So if you guys are facing the front, step back with the left. Okay? People that are in the back, you just have to go forward, right? So the people at the back are Joe, Abby, and Amber. You guys just go forward. But keep your leg, just put your leg back. And then on the sides, so Ashley is on this side of the field, everyone else is here. Ashley's going like that. And Maddie, you're on this side. So you're going up and back. It's a little complicated, right? But basically you're going to, Maddie's going to the right. You're facing the front, so you got to go up and to the right. Okay? That's just a finer, minute detail, but so everyone's here on 10, 11, 12 end. It's like a half count. So when you do this, you bring it up and your hand just kind of slides and it goes down. But you want to make sure this right hand pushes it. See how the flag kind of bounces a little bit? If you don't put your hand on it, it bounces more. See like that? If you put your right hand on it, it minimizes the bounce because you don't want it to be bouncing everywhere, okay? So that's that. So to recap, if I still have time, the first 16 is what we already know that we did earlier in the song. And then the second 16 is this step, okay, where we do the double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So one group goes 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another group goes 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4. Everyone ends the same. And then we're on that set of 9. That was the first 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then it's the 12. So it's a backwards march of 8 and then a hold of 4, just so everyone knows. So it's going to be backwards march, backwards 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You stop. 9. Oh, you grab it on 9 rather. So it's down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You stop moving. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, end. And that's the end. Make sure your posture is good. You don't want to lean. Okay, you don't need to lean into the flag. You just need to up the posture. Okay? Alright. I'm actually glad I was able to record the video. So, yes, please practice that. So the ending of song 1, if you watched the previous video, it's a 16, 16, 16, 12, 8. And then this part was a 16, 16, 9, 12. So that's 9 sets. That's it for the ending, okay? Practice.